Part 1. James's Story. I remember the first time I saw Anna. She was reading a book in the park. Her long brown hair moved in the wind. She looked so beautiful. I walked to her and said, "Hello." She looked up and smiled. My heart stopped. That was 5 years ago. Now Anna is my wife. We live in a small house with our dog Max, but things are not good between us. Today I sit in my office. I look at our wedding photo on my desk. Anna looks so happy in the picture. She doesn't look happy anymore. I work late every day. I want to give Anna a good life. I want to buy her nice things. But maybe I am losing her while I try to make money. Last night, we had a big fight. "You never talk to me anymore," Anna said. "I'm working hard for us," I said. "I don't want things." "I want you," she said. She went to sleep in the guest room. Again. I miss her. I miss her smile. I miss her laugh. I miss us. Part 2. Anna's Story. James doesn't understand. He thinks money will make me happy. He works all the time. I remember when we first met. He was so funny and kind. He talked to me for hours about books and movies. We laughed so much. Now he comes home late. He is tired. He watches TV. He doesn't talk to me. I cook dinner every night. Sometimes the food gets cold while I wait for him. Today, I looked at our wedding photos. James cried when he saw me in my white dress. He said I was beautiful. He said he would love me forever. Where is that James now? Part 3. The Breaking Point. James, I came home late again. The house was dark. Anna left a note. "I'm staying at my sister's house. I need time to think. My heart feels heavy. I am scared. Will she come back?" I look around our empty house. Her books are gone. Max's dog bed is gone. I sit on our bed and cry. Anna. My sister Sarah holds me while I cry. "I love him," I tell her, "but I can't live like this anymore." "Have you told him how you feel?" she asks. I try. He doesn't listen. Part 4. The Letter. James writes a letter to Anna. "Dear Anna, I'm sorry. I thought I was doing the right thing. I thought if I worked hard, you would be happy. But I was wrong. I see that now. I miss you. I miss your smile. I miss your voice. I miss Max barking when I come home. Please come home. I will change. I will be better. I love you, James." Anna reads the letter and cries. Part 5. The Meeting. They meet at their favorite coffee shop. James speaks first. "I will work less. I will come home early. We can have dinner together." Anna says, "I don't need a big house or nice things. I need my husband." "Can we start again?" James asks. "Yes," Anna says, "but things must be different." Part 6. The Changes. I changed my work hours. Now I come home at 6 p.m. every day. Anna waits for me. We cook dinner together. We talk about our day. On weekends, we take Max to the park. We read books together. We watch movies. I see Anna's smile coming back. James is trying hard. He comes home early. He helps with the house. He talks to me. Last night he brought me flowers, just like he used to do. We sit on the couch and talk, really talk, about our dreams, about our fears, about us. Part 7, the hard work. Marriage is not easy. They learn this together. James learns, work is not everything. Time together is important. Little things matter. Listening is love, Anna learns. Change takes time. Patience is important. Love needs work. Talking helps. Part 8, the new beginning. They make new rules. 1, no phones at dinner. 2, talk for 30 minutes every day. 3, date night every week. Cook together. 5, say, I love you. Every day. Some days are hard. Old habits try to come back, but they keep trying. Part 9, through the small moments. James, I watch Anna reading on the couch. Max sleeps at her feet. She looks up and smiles at me. My heart still stops when she smiles. I sit next to her. She puts her head on my shoulder. This is better than any money I could make. Anna, James comes home early. He brings takeout food. We sit on the floor and eat. We laugh about silly things. This is the man I married. He was never really gone. Part 10, 1 year later. I don't stay late at work anymore. Money's not as important as Anna's smile. Every morning, we have coffee together. Every night, we talk about our day. I am a better man because of her love. Anna, our house is not big, but it is full of love. James and I dance in the kitchen while we cook. Max runs around us barking happily. This is all I ever wanted. The lessons they learned together. They learned a love needs time, marriage needs work. Talk about feelings, listen to each other. Small moments matter. Money can't buy happiness. Change is possible. Love can grow stronger.